Samsung has announced a new budget smartphone of the Galaxy A series. The model is called Galaxy A06 in Vietnam. 3,190,000 prices for the 4GB plus 64GB model. The device already listed on Samsung India's support pages, the Galaxy A06 flaunting a flat frame and screen. The phone comes in 3 colors, black, white, and yellow. It has the same pinstripe pattern as its predecessor. The right spine of the Galaxy A06 gets the usual volume rocker and power key. The bottom panel can be seen housing the USB Type-C port sandwiched between the 3.5mm headphone jack and the speaker grill. At the back, we can see a dual lens, a 50MP main camera with a 2MP depth sensor next to it, an 8MP selfie snapper. Galaxy A06 feature a 6.7-inch HD plus IPS panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy A06 will be equipped with the MediaTek Helio G85 processor, with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. The device runs Android 14 with iMUI 6.1 out of the box. The prototype that ran Geekbench managed a single-core score of 1,644 and a multi-core score of 5,326. The Galaxy A06 will have a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 25-watt wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.